During the home inspection at MILLIE'S Remodel, the inspector told me the exhaust fan for the gas furnace was no longer functioning, and it was really a good idea to go ahead and replace it because it probably wouldn't even run the heat. Plus, the unit was incredibly loud and sounded like a helicopter, so I knew it had to be replaced. Hey guys, so listen, kind of funny story, but Train actually approached me about being saving as a sponsor, and I would have said no if I didn't really totally believe in the brand, but let me tell you something. I just left my driveway. That used to be our house across the street. When we first moved here in 2001, we had to replace the HVAC unit. It sucked. We had no money at the time. We had just moved here. We blew all of our money on the house, and guess what? She still has the same unit that we installed in 2001, and it is still working perfectly, and guess what? It's a Train. Given the track record of that old Train unit that we installed in 2001, it just made sense that I would go ahead and install a Train again when it came to replacing the HVAC at MILLIE'S Remodel. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the guys installed the new unit, and be sure to listen to the end because you get to actually hear the difference between the old unit and the new. It's crazy.
Let me get back here because remember, all three sides are loose.
There you go.
They're making them taller and bigger because the taller and bigger that we can get it, the bigger pole is like it. That's for sure. Rob, you want to move your truck? Just straight up the ramp to the flag. Ready? Up. Turning to Rob. Turning to Rob. Turning to Rob. Gonna fall now.
Junior, so tell me, when you guys are removing units, like what are you seeing in terms of Trains? Like how old or other units? Like how old are other units?
Well, we take all units out, but Train is usually we get a longer shelf life with them. And in my opinion, this is the Ferrari of air conditioning. Not to say any other brand, but this is the most expensive, and like they say, it's hard to stop a Train for a reason.
That's awesome.
Yeah. This is the best.
So it's worth a few extra bucks.
Yes, it's the best unit of money. Well,
all right. You agree?
Oh yeah, most definitely. The weather will knock this thing out before failure will.
All right, from the mouths of experts. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.